Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here with breaking news regarding the DJI Mavic Air 2 guys. Finally, it looks like we've gotten a big discount on the DJI Mavic Air 2. This is the biggest discount we have ever seen since the release date. So in today's video we're going to be talking about this discount from DJI, how to get it, where to get it, and where to buy it to get this discount on the DJI Mavic Air 2 guys. But before we get started, if you guys want to get an opportunity of winning a free DJI Mavic Air 2, all you have to do guys is subscribe to the channel. It's that easy and simple. And if we're able to get to 1,200 subscribers before October 1st, then we're going to be giving away one Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So you guys don't want to miss out on this epic opportunity. So make sure you guys subscribe. You join the Drone Emotion family. I know you're strong, so I know you can make this happen guys. So with that being said, we're going to be diving right into today's video, which is a really exciting one guys. And I really didn't thought we were going to be getting it, but it looks like DJI has finally gave us a big discount on the Mavic Air 2 guys. So since the launch of the DJI Mavic Air 2, we have not seen any discount guys. So I don't know if you guys know this, but DJI offers a subscription offer. So if you guys subscribe with your email, they will give you 5% discount. But before we film this video, whenever you gave your email, they send you an email with your 5% discount, and it excluded the Mavic Air 2 guys. But this week, DJI posted on their Instagram history that the DJI Mavic Air 2 has a 5% discount guys. So that's a really good discount. So when in order to get this 5% discount, all you have to do is just go to the DJI.com page, and then a subscription offer is going to pop up, and it's going to be looking something like this. So that's what it looks like guys. You just have to put in your email, and then DJI will send you an email with your discount code, and then we are now going to be able to use this code for the DJI Mavic Air 2, which in the past we were not able to do, but now with the DJI announcing this on their Instagram page, or this means that we're now able to use that for the Mavic Air 2 guys. So with that 5% discount that equals to around a 40%, around a $40 discount on the base model, which is this one right here, which is the base model, which just includes the controller and the drone. And also if you guys decide to go for the Fly More combo, which is $9.99, and we get a 5% discount, that's $50 off for the Mavic Air 2 with that 5% discount guys. But that's not it guys, we're just starting with the discount. So that's the 5% discount we get just with the subscription offer. But there is even more good news guys. If you've been waiting to get the DJI Mavic Air 2, but you think the price is too high, well, DJI is now offering a 10% discount guys. Yes, you heard that right, a 10% discount on the DJI Mavic Air 2. This is the lowest we have ever seen guys, and I'm really excited to share how we can get this new discount guys. So as you guys know, DJI has their educational program guys, which is an educational discount. And so the DJI educational discount program is available to college students, educators, and academic research staff with an approved academic email address. It provides a discount for DJI products at the DJI online store guys. So in the past, when the DJI Mavic Air 2 was launched, the Mavic Air 2 was not eligible for this discount guys, but now after DJI posted in their history the discount that was now for the Mavic Air 2, I went to the DJI page and I saw that the Mavic Air 2 was now eligible for the educational discount, which this is great because since the launch we saw that the Mavic Air 2 was not included and was not eligible, but we are now able to get that discount for the Mavic Air 2, which is great. So that is a 10% discount guys, which is really big guys actually. So $7.99 and we get a 10% discount, so that's $80 off the Mavic Air 2 guys. So we're going to be paying $720 for this drone. That's an amazing deal guys. So that's a crazy deal for the Mavic Air 2, but that's not it guys. If you decide to go for the Fly More combos, which is $9.99, and you decide to use that 10% discount, you are going to be getting $100 off guys. So that's $900 for the best drone out there in the market right now. So that's great deal, guys. So in order to get this discount, we're going to leave right here in the screen the instructions on how to get to the educational discount. So because I know some of you guys don't know where to find it, so right here in the screen we're going to give you a little video on where to find the DJI educational discount, guys. So right here in the screen. Okay guys, so that is where you find the DJI educational discount, which is a 10% discount, and we are now getting an amazing deal on the DJI Mavic Air 2. So guys, if you have been waiting, you've been holding off on wanting to buy the DJI Mavic Air 2 and you've been waiting for a discount to pop up, I think this is a great deal, guys, because I don't think DJI is going to be giving us a 20% discount on Black Friday. I don't think that's going to be happening. So I just think that's going to be happening for the Mavic 2. So I think right now, I think it's a great time to buy the Mavic Air 2. It's been recently launched, so I think the drone is really fresh, and now with that 10% discount, I think this is a great deal. So you're paying $720 for the best drone. I think this is the best deal out there for any drone. So guys, that's the information that we have for you today, guys, regarding the discount on the Mavic Air 2, the biggest one we've seen yet. Thank you for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.